Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Native Blackness. Today we have an unboxing. It just came into the mail. So we're gonna unbox it, baby. Let me check and see what it is. Yep. So yeah, it's from Diamond Art Club. So let's check and see what's in it. Box. Yes. Been waiting for this. Just been waiting and waiting and waiting. Make sure my address is not showing. So how you guys doing today? Today is Monday, you guys. Monday. I think it's the 8th. Okay, can't see my address or anything. So just gonna get in here real quick. So you can see I'm gonna come back a little bit. If you give me my room, it's not perfectly fit. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can do this way. You can see it. So we got an unboxing. You probably can't see. Okay, it's all the packaging. Okay, look at that. Our Diamond Art Club with our order. Okay, so we got. Look at you guys. Do what make you sparkle. Got the little tote bag. Diamond Art Club. Yes. Let's get this thing. So we got two, and I'm not going to show it to you guys yet, but I don't want you to see what it is yet. Got 3 boxes. Let me get rid of my box. So we have 4 items from Diamond Art Club. You guys, look. Sorry, I'm moving you guys around. So we got 3 boxes. Let's do the. Look in here. Let's do this one first. Put it to the side. So let's do the bag. Got the bag. Been wanting this bag for a while, and I like it because it comes in a little sealed Ziploc bag. Keep it fresh. Thank you. Ooh, look at Diamond Art Club. A little sealable bag. Love this little bag. Look at it, you guys. Love this bag. Love it. Love it. It would make you sparkle. Has the little pockets inside of it. Oh, I like this. Yes. I've been waiting for this bag. I love it. Put my name across there. So, see? Diamond Art Club. Cute little bag. And I like to have probably have the other little tote bag. Just like that there. Beautiful. So, we're gonna start with the small one first. This one is, like you see, it's the box. You can see square. You can see the square. Probably kind of dark in here, so you can see the square. It's a square box. Hey, you guys want to see it now? Yes. We ordered. We got Angie and Oliver. Got this one. Beautiful. So we're gonna open her up. Box this one. Just open. If you give me, if it's like, you know, see me want to struggle. So how you guys doing today? I like this box. Open. I know you guys don't want to see me touch it, but I could kid in the candy store. I've been waiting for this. Been waiting for it. Couldn't go without getting this. I was like, oh my god, I gotta get this. Okay. So you just in a box. Ooh, yes. Ooh, put the pills, everything out. Okay. So it comes with, and if you know, if you have a, comes with the tool, the bolt, comes with the tweezers, so you know this is a square. Comes with the sticker. So yeah, we have the stickers for that, and it is 38 colors, and it has 1 AB. Let me see. So it has 1 AB. Number 1 is 134, and I'm trying to see if there's any more. Yeah, and number 38 is 137. Is the number 9. So we're gonna look at those, see where those go in a little bit. But this is the little sticker. You can cut them out, everything, and put it on your box, whatever. I put it on my box, and I cut this part out, and I put it on my little box kit when I'm going to have to kit it up. So this comes with it. And also for your little logbook, you get the little sticker. Cute little sticker going with it. But let's get into this bag. So in the package, package. So let's get this going. Let's do this right here. Got the drills. Look at those drills. I'm not gonna take everything because I'm gonna do anything, but you see the colors. The colors in those babies. Yeah. And it has Angie and Oliver on it. So beautiful colors. Oh, this is gonna be a fantastic color. But let's do this. And also you get the step-by-step as well inside your kit. Step-by-step comes with the kit. Come on, you guys. Whew. Yes, I've been waiting. I'm waiting. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see. Look at it. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Angie and Oliver. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look how she jumped out, you guys. Beautiful. This is it says 42 by 59, and if you have the frame size, it's a 16.5 by 23 by 0.2. That's the frame size, but the actual inches, the kit size is 42 centimeters to 59 centimeters. I know someone previous just unboxed this one, but look how beautiful. Look at the colors. Oh, this is gonna be a nice size one that I could do. It ain't gonna take me no time. Maybe 4 weeks to get this done, but this is one of them. So this is Angie and Oliver. Beautiful. You got your GMC code on this side, and you also have it on this side here. So yes, beautiful, beautiful work. Beautiful, beautiful work. Look how she look, you guys. Beautiful. So, yep, that's Angie and Oliver. So let's put this one away, and we're going to get to the next one. Yeah, so you got number one. We're going to put this back in the bag. Sorry, guys. Put it back neatly, and then I'll get to the next one because my husband wants to do this real quick. We've been waiting for this, y'all. We've been waiting for this. So let's put it back in the box. Everything back neatly. We're going to get to the next one. Let's open up this next one. So the next one, I was waiting for this. I thought this was really nice. So this is also a square, but this one is Nova. Look, y'all. She's a beast, okay? She is a beast. Nova is a beast, y'all. I love the purple. I love the colors on this one. That purple, y'all. No, I don't know. Between her and this one is this one's by I don't know if it's McKay, Janine. Sorry if I got your name wrong. And then the other one, designer on this one, this is by Hannah Lynn. The Angie and Oliver is by Hannah Lynn. Sorry about that. Those are the artists. If you want to go on Diamond Art Club and check them out. I noticed if anything's on pre-order, they're asking to I know when I went on there, they're asking everybody to, like, if you have any pre-orders or anything like that, if you do it separately from the other orders. I think that's nothing else there. Oh, this is Nova. Look at her, guys. Look at her. Nova. I don't know if I got the name right. But this one comes with 29 colors. So that's not bad. 29 colors. I think I could do that. But look how beautiful she is. Oh, don't she look like she could get in some trouble? But this came with a sticker. Of course, you get your kit with your squishy. They give you more bags and your boat and the 2 hearts. That comes in a kit. So they get this one, y'all. Plus, you get your little kit again. With each one of you, you get this little kit. Here's Nova. Here's the dark color. Look at those. Look at those colors. Oh my God! Look at those colors, y'all. Look at those colors. This is gonna be great. A lot of black. All those purples. I don't know if you can see it. Look at all those purples. All those purple colors. Yeah, there's a lot of purple colors and all those vibrant colors that's in there. You'll see those little colors in there. She doesn't know. I'm going to show you the colors real quick. Let's get into this. I don't want you to see my banner. I don't know if you can see it, but look all those colors, you guys. Look all those colors. These are some beautiful colors in there. I don't want to take them all out, but yeah. Beautiful colors. And I'm going to get it right away. But let me show you Nova. I'm going to show you a pic. Do this camera. Oh, you guys can hear all this sound. My fan's going, but let's get this. This is Nova. Nova is a beauty, y'all. Look at her. OMG. Oh, yes. Yeah. You got your AB drills. You got number 1, there's 125. And then you have, number 29, the little hashtag one. So you're going to have, you got 2 AB drills. So number 29 is the 137, and then you got the 125. So it'll show you your DMC codes, which one is going to be which. So you got number 1, and you got number 29 as your DMC codes, your AB drills. I'm trying to say any more. I don't think there's any more, but yeah, you got your ledger here. It shows you the pinpoint how it's gonna look. That's the pinpoint how she's gonna look. But yes, y'all, oh my gosh, yes. This one right here is a 47 by 64. So I think it's 47 this way and 64 is the long way. So, oh my goodness. Oh, that purple hair. Yes, I'm going to know this. Look at it. Oh, yeah. But this is Nova. So we got that one taken care of. So, yeah, we got Nova. So, yeah, that purple. Yeah, she's going to be beauty, y'all. She's going to be ugly. I don't know. Between the chicken from Perry and I don't know which one I'm going to be able to keep. I know I might not be able to keep all of them, but when I get 2 of them, oh my goodness, yes. It's gracious. Yes. I'm going to show this to my husband. Oh my goodness. I've been thank you, Diamond. I was waiting for this. I know. I thought and I want to apologize because the lady that's on there was so kind, so patient with me. I thought I ordered something else and I didn't. So I just want to humbly apologize for that because I thought I did order it and I didn't order it, and I just have to wait on it next time. Hopefully that is still there when I get ready to. But I thought I got the one with the other one that I wanted. That was one that was. But yeah, I'm just been ordering so much. I don't even know. So the next one is my husband picked this one. This is his favorite. Big one, big gigantic one. This one is Country Inn and Farm. This one is a 98 centimeters by 70. Frame size is 38.6 by 27.6. And this one is by David McLean. My husband got this one. He wanted this one. He said, okay, I want this one. So I'm going to do it by David McLean. So let's check this out. Remember, you always get these little. So yes, my husband, he loves like the farm look paintings, like landscape paintings. Cause you know, man's like that landscape. So I have to make sure I get one for him. He got two of them. He got one by Steve Christie. He got the other one. Yeah, we picked this one out. Every time that I go in and we just pick one out. Ooh, this is a big one. Oh, goodness. So, yeah, like you're supposed to do is by David McLean. This is called the Country Inn. And this is what it looks like, y'all. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. This one got 54 colors, y'all. 54 colors. Whew, I'm going to be a busy sister. Okay, so this one is, okay, ABs. It has two ABs. It has number 1 is 30, 133, and 135 for your AB drills. So we got the bright orange and the kind of mustard yellow. I don't think there's any more in here. Yeah, so just those two. So those are your AB drills right there. These two right here. So yeah, David McLean. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a DVD, guys. So yeah, so we got this. You get your bolt. You get your step by step. Your bolts. And every time you get a square, you get this little tweezer. You get the little thumbnail to go with it to go in our logbook, which we're gonna put in our logbook. And let's get into this one. This one, I was like, oh my goodness. I've been waiting for this, you guys. I've been waiting. Yes. Oh my God. This is a big one. Ooh, yeah, he's trying to come around. Yeah, like you get your little package, but look at these. Oh my God, look at these colors. Look at those colors. Ooh. And it says Country Inn on it. Country Inn and Farm, a 2x2, so this might be 2 packs in here. And this is a big one, y'all. Look at those colors. Look at those vibrant colors. Oh yeah, a lot of brown and orange and green and pink. Oh my goodness. This is going to be a beautiful thing. So let's get right into this. And this. Down. Woo. This is going to be a big one. A really big one. So. The big one. Ooh, yeah. And there's one more. So you got 2 packs. So you do have 2 packs. So you have 2 packs. So this is the first one and that was the second one. So this is the first pack and the other one I showed you was the second one. So yeah. So you get 2 packs of this. Are y'all ready for this? Y'all, this is bigger than his bed. Okay, this is bigger than our bed. Look at that. Look at that. Look, I gotta step back a little, take y'all back a little bit. So this is the big one, y'all. This is a big baby. Look how big this thing is. It's big, y'all. It's big. I can't even lift this up. It's big. So this is the whole thing here. I'm going to bring you in a little bit, but yeah. This is how big it is, y'all. This is big. Oh, and look at the Jeep. Oh my God. Oh, he gonna love this one. Got the dog. Oh yeah. My phone's forgiving. My phone can't zoom in, so I'm just taking you in a little bit. But yes. David McLean, yes. It has a house. Look at that house, y'all. The chimney coming out, the lights. Oh, he gonna play. And the bright, it's 54 colors. Oh, yes, I'm gonna have a, got the owl coming up there. Like an owl. Yeah, nice. Yep, got the little pumpkin feet. So everything got the little thing like they're going somewhere. So, yes. This is a big one, y'all. This is what we've been waiting for. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do, y'all. I don't know what to do, but this is it. This is my unboxing. Yes, I'm gonna be a busy sister because I ain't even got to the other ones, you guys. I ain't got to the other one. I still, but thank you, Diamond Red Club. I got my package. I'm happy. I'm happy with what we got. So I'm gonna show this to my husband real quick. And thank you for subscribing. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to get notified. Put your comments below. I know other ladies did this already, but I'm just showing you the ones I got. So I liked it. So 3 of them, y'all. 3 in my tote bag. So this is pretty much what we got. So we got the tote bag, the Novas, the 3 boxes, y'all. 3. Whew. I'm happy. Well, that's all for now, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Have a blessed day.